We try and make it as painless as we possibly can for the customer. Something that we're very proud of is quick installation times. The mine, it costs them anywhere up from $200,000 to $1 million a day if they have lost production. So we have to get in and out as quickly as we can. It'll be shipped in modular sections so that when it gets to site, it's bolted together very quickly and an installation is very quick. We offer a support that's second to none. It's a 6-star service that we offer, and that comes through in everyone that has a touch point with the customer. It means that they can then give you an order and they know that what I've said in sales will be carried through in projects, it'll be carried through in production, it'll be carried through in everything to do with Minetek. So they can trust us that we're going to do what we say when we say,